So how is it possible that we're flying with Air India and there's no FOPA?
We played the whole senior citizen card. I think that this is what that was. This was probably karma. We shouldn't have done that.
Hello and welcome back. Before we start, I just want to thank you all for watching all my previous videos. All of you who have watched the videos, I hope you liked it. I'm new to YouTube and I want to keep improving the video qualities, the editing, whatever it is that I can do. So yeah, it's another video, it's another travel series. We are traveling this time to Bangkok and Koh Samui. Koh Samui has been on our list for a very long time. We were planning it since last year. We got a couple of days off and we thought why not utilize this time and go to Thailand. So we'll be flying out tonight. First we'll be going to Bangkok and Bangkok se we'll go to Koh Samui. It'll be a 2.5 hour layover. It's around 7:30 right now. We're almost all set. Bags are almost packed. I'm just charging my electronics. So since we're traveling to Thailand, we don't need the big suitcases. So we got these suitcases from the company called Assembly. They're quite nice, they're compact, they look really nice. We'll be carrying two of them, two medium size and one small one. बड़ा वाला होता है उसका खुद का weight ही इतना होता है कि मतलब 5-6 kgs are down the drain just because of the weight of your suitcase. So it's a 5-day trip all in all. 3 days we're in Koh Samui and 2 days we're in Bangkok. Leaving for the airport in the next 2 or 3 hours or something. So stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And also if you're watching my videos, please hit the like button and comment something. Comment your thoughts, whatever they may be. If you liked a moment from the video or you'd like to see more about it, please let me know. So the people who will be joining us on this trip, me, Pallavi, Purva Didi and mom, dad. So it's going to be a nice group of 5. Shubham Bhaiya couldn't join us because he had some work commitments. He had to cancel his trip the last moment. So we're definitely going to miss him. I'm almost ready. Nothing major is left. I'll just quickly check on my packing, download something to watch on the flight on my iPad. And that's it. We're set to go. Pallavi. Hi, Pallavi.
Hi.
Are you excited for the trip?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You don't seem to be ready. Your
I'm
suitcase
ready.
is still open. Your clothes are out. Are you going for a conference? Why are you wearing a jacket?
Because I feel cold in the flight, but it's also not that warm. So I can't wear my denim jacket. So this is the compromise.
That's why God invented hoodies. Why aren't you wearing a hoodie?
Because I have to carry this anyways, and I won't wear a hoodie. That this I might just wear for style. So.
Okay then. Point to be noted. Style is very
Yes.
important. How does that makeup lady say it, Pallavi? How does she say important?
Very important.
So these are the new suitcases that we bought by the brand Assembly. This is not a promotion. I hope this was a promotion. But look at the colors. How nice are they? So we're traveling light because it's Thailand. We don't have a lot of clothes. The luggage is almost set. So in all the trips that we've been to so far, mom and dad have always said bye to us before leaving. But this time, they're coming with us. Hello.
Yes! They're finally taking us with them.
Hi, Pluto.
Hi. Miss him.
He's also, I think, grown an inch or something.
You have grown, Pluto?
Pluto, I'm twinning with you. I'm matching your color. Pluto, you want to go with us?
Pluto.
Unfortunately, you can't, baby. So sorry. And this is Pyari. She sits right outside of Purva Didi's house. Hi, Pyari. Hi. We have too many dogs to say goodbye to. Bye, Pyari. See you in a bit.
What is this beige business happening?
Oh, nice.
मैंने सबको बोला you're not joining us because you have some urgent business to attend.
heard.
Why aren't you joining us?
Why do you look like one person? Like
This
one
is the
little-
airport look.
This is my airport look.
Very nice look.
ये approve नहीं हो रही है. Look at Pallavi, she's wearing a formal
पता लग
jacket.
जाएगा कि बॉर्न भी
Instead of putting it in
ब्लॉगर
this
है.
thing.
यही मैं मिस करूँगा. यही मैं मिस
पता
करूँगा. Are you excited, Dad? So we were just reading the restricted articles and substances on the flight, but हम तो अपना restricted item घर भूल आए.
भूल नहीं आए, छोड़ आए.
हाँ, sorry, छोड़ आए. All the counters are completely full, and I tried to go to the self check-in counter, which is usually the last counter, because उसके right पीछे immigration counter होता है if you already scanned your passport. But apparently it's written that Air India is there, but they're only catering to Air France customers. I don't know why. Wait in the line and then check in. So how is it possible that we're flying with Air India and there's no FOPA? So we managed to cut the line because of senior citizen discount. हमने mom dad को बोला character में रहने के लिए, घुटना उठना पकड़ के थोड़ा ऐसे करने के लिए. But then one of our suitcases was not tagged by them. So now they're figuring it out कि whether they've tagged it or not, and they're trying to locate that suitcase. So हुआ क्या basically? We are 5 people and all of us have like one check-in baggage. The lady who was at the counter, she was checking our luggages and 14:15. So I think she missed it and the luggage just went inside, and Pallavi spotted that there's no tag showing on that luggage. So kudos to Pallavi for spotting that. She always has that sharp eye. So now they verified. One of their managers came and he's telling us that yes, you're right. There was no tag put in on that luggage. So I don't know वो luggage राम भरोसे से कहाँ अंदर चला गया. So they're trying to track it down. I've showed them the video. Luckily I was recording it, so I had a video of dad holding that bag. So they'll try to locate it now, and let's see now what the process is.
हमारे साथ ऐसे शुरुआत में ऐसे कैसे हादसे नहीं हो सकते हैं.
And when Shubham, you know what Shubham told me in the morning, I wish तेरे को भी हो जाए वहाँ जाके. Work emergency.
Yes. We played the whole senior citizen card. I think that this is what that was. This was probably karma. We shouldn't have done that. यहाँ से left है ना.
So the last 5 to 10 minutes went in vain. We were waiting for the bag, and then Pallavi said, "You guys just go, so that we can reach duty free and do our duty."
They're still waiting. We're still waiting on the final update.
But it can't be worse than Porto, where we've missed our flight. Pallavi and Dad are still stuck at the check-in counter. The bag is still, what do you call it? AWOL.
AWOL.
The bag is still AWOL. They're trying to figure it out where it is. They've asked us for some pictures. We've sent them. So what they're doing, they've sent somebody on the belt, conveyor belt. They're taking pictures and they're trying to figure out हमारा bag कौन सा था. But they've assured us that the bag will reach with us to Koh Samui. I think we just got an update.
मेरे को अभी तक नहीं मिला है.
नहीं update.
दूसरे suitcases दिखा रहे हैं, मतलब photos दिखा रहे हैं.
But क्या भाई? Airport fiasco. This was one of our bags got lost. Finally वो end में जाके मिला, and we had no time at duty free. It's 1:10 right now. 1:15 the boarding gate closes. 2 o'clock की flight है हमारी. I'm trying to reach everyone, but nobody's picking their phone, so I'm rushing to the gate at least so that I can stop them, or at least try. End moment पे gate भी change हो गया है, so it's quite a hush hush. So I hope we can make it on time and comfortably board the flight. I think we're the last ones to board. The boarding has almost finished, so everybody has made it. And look at what Pallavi has got on the flight. Sleep gummies. You're ready to pass out?
मैंने तभी iPad निकाल भी नहीं दी.
And we have landed in Thailand. Welcome to Bangkok. How was the flight, guys? How was the flight, Mom?
Quite comfortable.
Comfortable?
I kept sleeping, getting up with jerks.
But all in all,
My
comfortable.
head rolled.
Dad, what about you?
I saw you guys sleep. It was a nice sight.
Dad को ना हमने वो दी थी WhatsApp sleep. वो didn't work on you.
I didn't have it.
Oh.
He keeps saving things, no?
So you're saving this for some really tiring day.
No, somebody has to guard the luggage, right?
Acha. Our connecting flight to Koh Samui leaves in another 3 hours, so we have 2.5 hours to kill. We don't board in the next 2 hours, so we're utilizing the time by taking in a quick nap. So I'm taking a nap, Pallavi's taking a nap, and so is Dad.
I was trying to take a nap before they started shouting.
We finally boarded our flight to Koh Samui. Really excited. The views are gonna be really beautiful. I think we'll be able to see some nice crystal clear blue lagoons. It's a 1 hour flight, so ऊपर जाते ही नीचे आते हैं, not a lot of time, but not a lot of travel time. So excited to finally go to the final destination.
Yes, and I'm also very excited to see their airport. It's supposed to be one
Oh
of the
yeah, so Pallavi
Most
is
chillest.
most excited about Koh Samui Airport. Because just pause the video here. Google Koh Samui Airport. It's actually the most beautiful, definitely one of the most beautiful airports in the world. It's hardly like an airport. Like it's just like a garden. You know? So yeah, let's go now. I'll see you in Koh Samui. This is such a cute airport. We just got out of the plane, and this is like a mini golf cart that they're taking us inside the airport. The entire airport looks like a garden, like looks like a huge garden.
Bangkok के botanical gardens में आते हैं. Joke तो नहीं था.
क्या ये जोक था?
नहीं था.
था तो. I don't like jokes.
I don't like
you. Never seen such an airport.
Never seen it before because you've never been to this place before.
True that. बहुत ही cute airport है. And our ride ended. Let's go.
Samui Airport.
So I'm with Norm standing right in the middle of the baggage collection belt, and यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. This is their airport. That's the exit. That's the runway. This is the conveyor belt where your luggage will come, and it's completely open. Like there are no lights. It's all natural light. And बहुत ही cute airport है. बाहर से when we got out of the plane, that cutesy golf cart ride, बहुत ही सुंदर लगा. Really excited now to see what Koh Samui has to offer us.
Only five. Yes.
Now we're headed to our hotel. ये हमें देंगे early check-in?
They said I spoke to them on the phone. So
Did you tell them you're related to Tanvi? So we've just checked in. We got 2 rooms out of 3. The other one, I think they'll give us close to 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock, because their usual check-in time is 3 o'clock. But first impressions of the property, it's beautiful. And views ज़्यादा खास नहीं है, but there is a balcony and that's the ocean. Almost 12 hours that we've been traveling. रात को थोड़ा सोए कच्ची पक्की टाइप नींद आई. So I think we'll probably like change, take a shower, and I think take a nap and then plan our day accordingly. So we're staying at the Sheraton Koh Samui. So all in all, Koh Samui has a lot of things to do.
Oh, are there birds here? No.
Oh! अभी वहाँ अच्छे से अंदर जाके अच्छे से दिखाता हूँ, but बहुत सुंदर है guys, बहुत सुंदर है. Okay, now view for you in 3, 2, 1.